Life loves to throw unexpected curveballs. Your car breaks down, your fridge stops working, or worse, you lose your job. Without an emergency fund, you're stuck scrambling for cash, borrowing money, or racking up debt. But what if I told you that building an emergency fund doesn't have to take years or even months? In this video, I'll share 10 fast, actionable hacks to help you save money quickly and build your emergency fund, even if you're on a tight budget. Let's get started. Why you need an emergency fund. Before we dive into the hacks, let's talk about why an emergency fund is so important. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's there to protect you when life goes sideways, whether it's a medical bill, a car repair, or a sudden job loss. Without one, you're forced to make tough choices, borrowing money, dipping into retirement savings, or going into debt. Here's the reality. 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency. Don't be part of that statistic. Let's fix that today. Hack number 1. The $5 challenge. Let's start with a simple but powerful hack. Set aside every $5 bill you receive. Whether it's from spare change at the store or cashback on a purchase, commit to saving every $5 you get. It may seem small, but over time, those little amounts will add up, giving you a nice boost for your emergency fund. Why it works? It's painless, automatic, and adds up fast. You'd be surprised how much you can save without even noticing. Pro tip: make it a game. Challenge yourself to save as many $5 bills as possible this month. Hack number 2. The no-spend challenge. Pick one day a week, or even a whole weekend, where you spend absolutely nothing. No coffee runs, no online shopping, no eating out. Use what you already have at home. Cook meals, watch free movies, and enjoy free activities like walking or reading. Why it works? Cutting out even one day of spending can save you $20 to $50 a week. That's $80 to $200 a month just by staying home. Pro tip: start small. Try one no-spend day a week, then increase it as you get comfortable. Hack number 3. Sell your stuff. Here's a hack that can net you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Look around your home. That old guitar collecting dust? Those clothes you never wear? That treadmill turned clothes rack? Sell them online through platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark. Why it works? One person's clutter is another person's treasure. You'll declutter your space and pad your emergency fund at the same time. Pro tip: start with 5 items this week. You'll be surprised how quickly the cash adds up. Hack number 4. Cut subscriptions, 8 to 10. Let's talk about subscriptions. How many streaming services, gym memberships, or apps are you paying for that you barely use? Go through your bank statements and cancel anything you don't absolutely need. Why it works? The average person spends $200 a month on subscriptions. Cutting just half of those can save you $200 a month on subscriptions. Cutting just half of those can save you $100 a month or $1,200 a year. Pro tip: use apps like Truebill or Rocket Money to track and cancel unused subscriptions automatically. Hack number 5. Meal prep. Like a pro, instead of eating out or ordering takeout, plan and cook your meals for the week. Why it works? The average person spends $3,000 a year on eating out. Cooking at home can cut that bill in half or more. Pro tip: start with one meal a day, pack your lunch for work, or cook dinner at home instead of ordering delivery. Bonus: you'll eat healthier too. Hack number 6. Use cashback apps. Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey give you cashback on everyday purchases. Why it works? It's free money. You're already buying groceries, clothes, or household items. Why not get paid for it? Pro tip: Combine cashback apps with coupons and sales for maximum savings. Hack number 7. Automate your savings. Here's a hack that takes the effort out of saving. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund every payday. Why it works. Out of sight, out of mind. You'll save without even thinking about it. Pro tip: start small. Even $20 a paycheck adds up over time. Increase the amount as you get comfortable. Hack number 8. Side hustle, your way to savings. Deliver food, freelance, sell digital products, or even rent out a spare room on Airbnb. Why it works. An extra $100 a week adds up to $5,200 a year. That's a fully funded emergency fund in no time. Pro tip: choose a side hustle that fits your skills and schedule. Even a few hours a week can make a big difference. Hack number 9. Use windfalls wisely. Got a tax refund, bonus, or birthday cash? Don't blow it, save it. Put windfalls straight into your emergency fund. Why it works. It's a quick and painless way to boost your savings without changing your daily habits. Pro tip: treat yourself to a small reward, like a coffee or a movie, then save the rest. Hack number 10. Track your progress. Finally, track your progress. Use a savings tracker or app to see how much you've saved. Celebrate milestones along the way. Why it works. Seeing your progress keeps you motivated and focused on your goal. Pro tip: share your progress with a friend or accountability partner. A little encouragement goes a long way. Building an emergency fund doesn't have to be hard or take forever. With these 10 hacks, you can save money fast and create a financial safety net that gives you peace of mind. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Start small, stay consistent, and before you know it, you'll be ready for whatever life throws your way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Money Chapters for more tips on building wealth and securing your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.